Today, we're super excited to release our scouting system. Something we're really excited to show you is how our scouting system is open source. And so you can look at all the code and see every single step that we took on our journey to make our scouting system a reality. Plus, you can make your own changes to our code to better customize it to your preferences. Our app also uses TBA to load up the schedule into the scouting app, so then when you click next match, it loads the exact team for the exact match. Our app also uses undo and redo buttons to alleviate some of the scouter error.
Something really special about our scouting app is that it doesn't need any internet connection to run, which means you're only limited by the speed of your local connection. In our scouting app, all the data is stored locally, meaning that other teams can't contribute data to yours. Our scouting server allows you to easily export as an Excel file with just one click, meaning that you can easily analyze large sets of data.
We have integrated strategy and pit scouting, which is, pits is basically just, the scouting for a robot specifically rather than like a match, like match scouting does. And we also have Strat integrated into our scouting app, which is basically, the subjective data about the driver and stuff like that. We also have very detailed pit scouting, so, frame parameter, drive type, motor type, all that good stuff, just saved into your tablet.
Not only that, our scouting app works on any Android device, no matter how old or sticky.
Our server can run on any computer.
Thanks to the Compose library, which is what we use, the layout is really easy to differ and customize to your own preferences when scouting. You can change a button to be a checkbox. Pretty much anything you want to do, you can do in the open source bit of the scouting app. For those without coding expertise, you can change the layout through the GUI.
We also have local data storage on the tablet, so, when you click buttons, like when you're match scouting and you click a button, it saves, and then when you click either next match or you go back to the main menu, it actually saves that data permanently into the files on the tablet. So, if you just close the app or something, it'll refresh all that data once you come back.
Our server is really fault tolerant, meaning that unless your server happened to crash in the middle of a data transfer, your data is safe. Our data storage is really efficient. With it, it is possible to store 16 competitions in under 1 gigabyte. Our scouting server is set and forget, removing the need for another member on your scouting team.
Another thing we're planning on adding is advanced data metrics like robot reliability and driver skill. If any of these things are interesting to you, then you should check out our repo on GitHub, link in the description. Finally, if there's anything you think would be cool to add, then you should just submit an issue in GitHub.